Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss small topic from vitamin which can be asked as a short note or brief answers in theoretical exam. That is provitamins and antivitamins. To download lecture notes and other interesting stuff related to biochemistry, please visit website biochemistrybasics.com. First we will see definition of provitamins. So provitamin is a substance that may be converted within the body to a vitamin by normal metabolic processes, and they are also known as a P vitamins. Now we will see example of provitamins. So the first example is beta carotene, which has only about 1/6 biological activity of retinol, and body uses an enzyme, that is beta carotene dioxygenase, to convert beta carotene to retinol. Second example is ergosterol, which is converted into vitamin D2, and 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is converted into vitamin D3. Third example is menadione, which is a synthetic provitamin of vitamin K. And the fourth and last example is provitamin B5, which is a name for panthenol, which may be converted in the body to vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. So that is about definition of provitamins and example of provitamins. Now we will see antivitamins. So antivitamins represent broad class of compounds that counteract the essential effect of vitamins. They are also called as a antagonist of vitamins. The symptoms triggered by such anti-nutritional factors resemble those of vitamin deficiency, but it can be successfully reversed by treating patients with intact vitamin. Despite being undesirable for healthy organisms, the toxicity of these compounds present considerable interest for biological and medicinal purposes, as some of them are used as an antibiotics and anti-cancer agents. So that is about antivitamins. Now we will see classification and example of antivitamins. The first category is enzymes decomposing vitamins, and the examples are thiaminase, which act on thiamine, ascorbase, which act on ascorbic acid, and lipooxygenase, which act on vitamin A. Second category is compounds forming non-active complexes with vitamins, and the examples are avidin, which is present in the raw egg, and it forms non-active complex with vitamin biotin, which is a water-soluble vitamin. Third category is compounds structurally similar to vitamins, and the examples are sulfonamides and methotrexate, which are folate antagonist. Sulfonamide is an antibacterial agent and methotrexate is an anti-cancer agent. And another example is warfarin and dicumarol, which are vitamin K antagonist, and they are used as an anticoagulant. This is the picture showing the structural similarity between folic acid, aminopterin, and methotrexate. And this is the picture showing the structure of warfarin and dicumarol, which are vitamin K antagonist, and they are used as an anticoagulant agent. So that is all about provitamins and antivitamins. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.